As safety become top priorities in modern home care, bed rails have gained popularity for both seniors and toddlers. Whether it's for fall prevention, easier mobility, or peace of mind, bed rails offer practical solutions. In this guide, we evaluate the build quality, adjustability, ease of installation, and value for money across a range of top-rated bed rails to help you find the right fit for your needs. List number 1. Standard Easy Adjust Bed Rail, adjustable senior bed rail and safety assist railing for elderly adults with organizer pouch. A standard Easy Adjust bed rail is a standout choice for seniors who need both safety and convenience. This bed rail offers an extendable design, adjusting from 26 to 42 inches to accommodate different bed sizes and user needs. One of its key strengths is the built-in organizer pouch, which is perfect for keeping essential items like remotes, glasses, or books within reach. It doubles as a support handle to assist users in getting in and out of bed safely. The rail also folds down easily when not in use. List 2. On-the-way bed rails for elderly adult safety. Foldable bed assist rail with adjustable height, non-slip handle. The on-the-way bed rail combines smart design with practical safety features. This foldable assist rail has an adjustable height that works well with various mattress thicknesses, making it suitable for most beds. The non-slip foam handle ensures a firm grip, especially helpful for seniors with limited mobility. It's built with a durable metal frame and has a slip-resistant base for added stability. List number 3. Bed rails for elderly adults. Bed Assist Rail Medical Bed Support Bar Mobility Assistant with free storage bag and fixing strap. This medical-grade assist rail is engineered for seniors who need solid bedside support. It comes with a reinforced support bar, anti-slip grips, and a fixing strap that secures the rail to the bed frame for added safety. What sets this bed rail apart is the included storage bag, ideal for keeping nighttime essentials within arm's reach. The sturdy frame is easy to assemble with no tools required and works on most bed types, including low beds. List number Nudica's Baby Bed Rail Guard for Toddlers. 47 inches toddler bed side rails for twin, full, queen, bunk size bed swing. The Nudica's Baby Bed Rail is specially crafted for toddlers transitioning from crib to bed. With its 47-inch length, it offers excellent side protection for twin, full, and even queen-sized beds. The swing-down design allows for quick access to the bed when needed and can be locked in an upright position during sleep for added security. The rail is wrapped in soft mesh fabric, making it breathable and comfortable for children. Parents will appreciate the easy installation that doesn't require any tools. List number 5. Bed rails for elderly adults safety. Adjustable bed assist rail for seniors. Stable bedside rails handle support bar. This adjustable bed assist rail focuses on stability and user comfort. Designed for elderly adults, it features a heavy-duty frame with a wide, non-slip handle for a secure grip. The adjustable height works well for various mattress levels, and its base support bar slides under the mattress, providing a strong and balanced structure. What's notable is the dual strap securing system,